In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete recent files in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So when you open Photoshop without opening any project, you will see this page where we can see our recent files. We can sort it by recent, name, size and kind. We can also filter it and change the list of the file. We can set it to thumbnail as well. Personally, I found this list very useful. We can just go to our recent file and edit our project, but sometimes we also want to remove these files or delete a specific file, but unfortunately in Photoshop we cannot right click on this file and delete them. There is this one only manual method in which we need to change our PSD file name, or we can change our image name. So in this case you can see this file name is background.jpg. So I need to change this image name. So for that I will simply open my file explorer and change the file name. So this was the file, I just need to change its name. I will remove the D from the end, and after that I can click on this file, and now you can see the file has been removed from my recent files. And now this time I want to remove this file. Its name is this, and at the end you can see it is a PSD file. So I need to change this PSD file name. So for that I will open this file in my file explorer. We just need to find our files. So this is the file. I just simply need to change its name. I will change the name, and now if I click on this file, you can see the file has been removed. So this is the only manual method we can use for deleting specific files. But if you want to remove this entire list from your recent files, so for that we just need to click on file, then click on open recent. Now go to the bottom, you will see this option, clear recent file list. If I click on it, you can see the whole list is now gone. If you want to remove the recent files from your home page permanently, for that we need to click on edit, then go to bottom, you will see preferences, and now click on general, or you can simply use shortcut key as Ctrl K, then click on it. After that we need to go to file handling, and then we can change the recent file list. So here we can set it to 0 so that nothing will be stored in our recent files, or we can set it to 5 to minimize the recent files list. I will set it to 0 to disable the recent file list, and after that click on OK. Once you done this, Photoshop will not store your recent files. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.